Get ready for an electrifying summer extravaganza in Seoul as Samsung unveils the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 at their spectacular Unpacked event. And that's not all. The Z Flip5 will be joined by its sibling, the Z Fold5, promising an epic tech showdown that'll leave you breathless. Now let's dive into the thrilling details. Feast your eyes on the massive upgrade. The Z Flip5's cover display has expanded to a whopping 3.4 inches of high-resolution goodness. With an eye-catching folder icon-like design, it's not just for show. It now supports optimized Google apps like Maps, Messages, and YouTube, all operational without even opening the phone. Say goodbye to limitations and say hello to endless possibilities. But wait, there's more excitement in store. Samsung has finally addressed user complaints and listened to their loyal fans. The Z Flip5 flaunts a brand new hinge that closes flat, eliminating that pesky crease and providing an exquisite, seamless experience. No gaps, just pure beauty and perfection. And let's not forget about the Z Flip5's superpowers. It's IP58 resistant. Dive into adventures worry-free as this incredible phone can handle short dips in water without breaking a sweat. Plus, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor combined with 8 GB of RAM ensures lightning-fast performance, making multitasking a breeze. Oh, and did we mention the breathtaking 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate? Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or capturing unforgettable moments with its 3 incredible cameras, ultra-wide, wide, and selfie, the Z Flip5 delivers a feast for your senses. Get ready for a tech revolution with DeX support, allowing you to transform your phone into a productivity powerhouse on compatible devices. Connect via HDMI or wirelessly to TVs and monitors for a seamless desktop experience. And for Windows users, all you need is a USB cable to access the magic. Mark your calendars for the grand unveiling on July 26, followed by thrilling pre-orders starting that very evening. And get ready to get your hands on this wonder of innovation on August 11. Now buckle up, because here's the part that'll leave you on the edge of your seat. Whispers of price increase. Rumors suggest a possible €1,300 for the base Galaxy Z Flip5. But hold on. There might be an exciting pre-order perk with a free storage upgrade, just like the jaw-dropping S23 series launch. But hey, don't lose hope just yet. The price hike may be limited to some regions, as North America is yet to reveal its secrets. And with Samsung doubling production, it's clear they have high hopes for this game-changing device. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is about to change the game and redefine what's possible in the world of smartphones. Get ready to embrace the future in style and seize the opportunity to own this masterpiece of technology. That's all for today. Like, add, subscribe for more exciting news. Peace out.